Alright, I've got all the ends on all my speed controls soldered on now, and all of these are soldered up on all four corners. I've just mounted the motors. I haven't cut the ends of the zip ties off yet. Let's just take a quick look. Basically what I did is I put a little, I've got some 3M tape. I'm not sure where I picked it up. It's double-sided tape. You could use, you probably don't need anything, but I wanted it just for a little bit of isolation between the motor and the aluminum arm for vibration isolation. You could just use sticky double-sided tape, anything, in between the motor and the frame, right in there. And then I used, they're just small zip ties, and I've just used two of them. Go around the top through the holes and zip tied. It's tight. You can't move it at all. It's perfectly tight. And on a big hit, I know from experience with my tricopter, these will shear off on a good hit and hopefully save the shaft from being damaged. The idea of putting these connectors on now, if I can mount my speed controls and plug them in and put a zip tie over here, so if that motor breaks loose now, it should just break the connection right here instead of damaging anything. So that's where I'm at right now. I haven't really changed the frame at all. I thought about it. I think I'm just kind of gonna leave it the way it is. Something I've got a question about. If you guys have a really good idea. What I've done here is, on my speed controls, I've got a Dean's end on it. I just soldered them on. I thought, well, if I ever use the speed controls for something else, now they're all soldered up. So, on the other end, for a power hub, or whatever you want to call it, the splitter, whatever the term is, I'm going to use Dean's connectors again, so I'll plug all four speed controls in. What's the best way to run the power connection to these speed controls from the battery? Is it just, bring two leads in and split them out into four? Is that the best way, or that's kind of what I've always done. I don't know. Is there a better way? If there is, leave me a comment below if you've got a good suggestion. If I like it, I might use it. I'm kind of open on that right now. So that's where I'm at. We're getting closer. Once we get it together, I'll get some. I'll do some more footage here before it's done, and some flight footage at the end. Okay.